Welcome to Miss Sharon's Story Time, brought to you by the Morgantown Public Library System. I love farms, and so I thought I would read The Big Red Barn, and this is by Margaret Brown, and it's from HarperCollins, okay? By the big red barn in the great green field, there was a pink pig who was learning to squeal. There was a great big horse and a very little horse. And on every barn is a weather vane, of course, a golden flying horse. Wow. There was a big pile of hay and a little pile of hay, and that is where the children play. But in this story, the children are away. Only the animals are here today. The sheep and the donkey, the geese and the goats were making funny noises down in their throats. And an old scarecrow was leaning on his hoe, and a field mouse was born in a field of corn. Now this is very tiny, but there's the mother mouse and her little babies. Cock-a-doodle-doo, in the barn there was a rooster and a pigeon too, and a big white hen standing on one leg, and under the hen was a quiet egg. There was a bantam rooster and a little bantam hen with a big clutch of eggs. Count them. There are 10. Wow. Cock-a-doodle-doo, moo, moo. There was a big brown cow and a little brown cow. There was an old black cat, meow, meow, and a tiger tomcat, yow, yow. There was a big red dog, bow wow, with some little puppy dogs, all round and warm. And they all lived together in the big red barn. And they played all day in the grass and the hay. Isn't that a pretty picture? When the sun went down in the great green field, the big cow lowed, the little pig squealed. The horses stomped in the sweet warm hay, and the little donkey gave one last bray. The hens were sleeping on their nests. Even the roosters took a rest. The little black bats flew away out of the barn at the end of the day. And there they were all night long, sound asleep in the big red barn. Only the mice were left to play, rustling and squeaking in the hay, while the moon sailed high in the dark night sky. That's such a cool book. Okay, if you stop by the library, I'd like to show you what's in the activity packet that goes with this. First of all, you're going to get one of these little cards and all these stickers, and you match the numbers to make the farm animal, okay? I also included a card for you and some glitter stickers. This is mine. And you could make this card for anyone that you like, family, friends, whatever, and you can decorate it in any way you like. Okay? And also I included a white piece of paper and several foam farm stickers, and then I used crayons to decorate my picture. You can do yours any way that you like. And the last thing you'll find is a little paper that tells about my story time and where to find it. So I hope you enjoy all these things, and I will see you the next time. Keep reading. Bye-bye.